Hello friends, so welcome to our channel. So today we'll be going to have a look at the intraday strategy with the help of an super trend indicator and VWAP indicators. Okay, so this is for an educational purpose, so please do your own analysis before taking any real trade based on this trade, this educational content. Okay, so this is an Nifty's June future. So we'll be going to use the VWAP and super trend. Okay, so I'll be using that VWAP. So VWAP is nothing but the volume weighted average price. Okay, so based on the volumes and the price movement, it will calculate the average price. Okay, so this is an VWAP indicator and I'll be choosing the 15 minutes candle. Okay, so and then I'll be using the super trend indicator. So super trend indicator is nothing but it will give the indications based on the current trend. Okay, but this is an lagging indicator, so which will give us the signal most probably after the trend has been turned. Okay, so this is so whenever the market is in uptrend, it will give us the signal in the green, and whenever it's in a downtrend, it will give us the trend line, super trend line in the red color. Okay, so for better understanding, I will be changing that color of VWAP into an yellow line. So here you can see that now the super trend indicator is in a red color and the green color, and the VWAP is at the yellow line. Okay, so and I'll be choosing the 15 minutes candle. So after this, the rule is, so whenever the super trend is in a red color, we'll be always going to look for the selling side only, and whenever we are seeing that the super trend indicator is in a green, then we'll be going to look for only for the buying opportunities. Okay, so after that, so we have confirmed that super trend is red, so we are not going to buy the Nifty future today, and we'll be going to have only look for the selling side until or unless the super trend indicator turns into one green side. Okay, so after this, so always ignore the first candle, so because there will be more speculations will happen at the first candle, so we'll be ignoring the first 15 minutes. So after that, so whenever the price opens above the VWAP and close below the VWAP, right, in a sell, if it is in a, if it fulfills the selling conditions, then we'll be going to sell the Nifty below this red candle. Okay, so whichever the candle which crosses the VWAP from above to below, right, we'll be going to sell below this candle. Okay, and SL should be high of this candle, and whatever the size of this, we'll be going to expect at least 1:1.5 to 2 the times double the times of this candle. Okay, so if you can see that this is will be selling at the level of 10,070, and its high is like 10,116, right, so which is hardly like 50 points, around like 45 to 50 points, right, so we'll be expecting 100 points movement here, so it doesn't happens, right. So from the 73 it made the low of 42, which is only like 30 points, and there is an SL hit. Okay, so we'll be having a look at the previous day. So here you can see that the super trending indicator is in the red, so we'll be going to have a look at the, we'll be going to look only for the sell side. So after this candle happens, you can see that once we have sold this Nifty below this candle, it keep on for moving downside, and will be exiting at the with the very huge profit. Okay, so here it's in a green side, but the price doesn't closed above this VWAP candle, so we'll be avoiding this. And here you can see that the price have been crossing from low side from below and above this VWAP, but if you look at the super trend indicator, it's in a red side, so we are not going to buy. So this is not the valid buy signal as per this particular strategy. Okay, so again, if you have a look at this, so it's in a red signal, but there is no crossover happened between this VWAP candle, right. So if you have a look at the 4th of June, so here this is in the super trend indicator is indicating that sell side, and there is an crossover happened from this level. So after that, whenever, so only thing is we need to wait for only 2 to 3 candles, and if the crossover does if the breakout doesn't happen for this candle, we'll be going to have a look at the next candle whichever is going to happen. Okay, so here even though the price movement happens above this VWAP, since this super trend indicator is indicating the sell side, we are not going to buy this candles. Okay, so after that there is a movement happens, so which crossed the VWAP from the above to below, so we will be going to sell below this candle. So after that you can see that the price has been moved along. Okay, so after this, so here you can see that the super trend indicator is in a green side, so we as per our strategy we need to ignore the first candle, right? So after that so this is the candle which happens which moved from below to above this VWAP. So after this we'll be buying above this candle. Okay, so after this you can see that there is a candle at crossover happened at the level of 10,100, and we'll be keeping this 10,071 as a stop loss, which is in 30 point. So we need to expect the 60 points, at least a 60 points movement, and you can see that there is a huge movement happened, and market moved till 10,165 where we'll be closing our trade, right? So this is an one of the very good strategies. So make sure that you do your proper back testing. So you can do your back test using this Nifty futures and the Bank Nifty futures using this 50 minutes candles. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting a notification whenever we upload any new videos. So thanks for watching.